Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete recent search in Google. Keep in mind that recent searches is something that's a very cool feature in Google if you are frequently going to places. So on your Android phone, tablet or favorite browser, head to Google Maps, make sure that you're signed in on the top right corner, and then after that click on Map History. You can access this map history either by going to this right corner. So to access this again, as I said, head to google.com. On the top right corner, click on this icon right here, and then scroll down to Maps. After finding Maps, head ahead and open it. After that, basically go ahead on the top right corner, as I said, Menu. And then you will go all the way to the bottom, Maps Activity. And then here, under Search Your Activity, you're gonna find, let's dismiss this. Right here in the Search tab, you're gonna find the Delete button on the right corner. Right here, you will be able to delete just today, custom range, all time, or set an auto delete, which will be automatically deleting. You can also view your activity, or aka timeline, set by Google Maps right here. You can choose a specific timeline, click X on it, and then you will be go ahead to delete it. You can cancel by clicking cancel if you are fast. Otherwise, you will be permanently deleted. As you can see right here, this is all the data you're going to find in your Google Maps. With that said, thanks for watching guys, and goodbye.